Hello, today I'm going to show you Google Maps and how to use it to find directions. You start on the Google page, which is google.com. You come over here to your top right and you can see this grid looking button. It represents the applications for Google. You go ahead and click on that button. In the second row down, you can see that Maps is the first item you can push. Go ahead and click on that. And then up pops a map. The map is of Denver and surrounding areas. If you were in another state or a different part of the state, your area would look different. This is just around where you are. You can tell where the cities are, the highways, and everything. You can also have a satellite view that you can get by pushing on this left bottom corner button. You push on that. You see a satellite view. If you go over here to your right on the bottom, you can see a plus and a minus. Zoom in and zoom out. I'll be using those throughout this whole time. You zoom in, you can see a lot of detail is in these pictures with the satellite, but it's not so easy just for finding basic directions. So we're going to just use the regular map. We are going to start at the Colorado State Capitol. Now if I click on that, it's going to give me the address, the hours it's open, the phone number if I needed to call them, and a website, along with photos and other things that you can check into if you need to. So we're going to depart from the Colorado State Capitol. From the state capitol, we would like to get to the Denver Zoo. So I'm going to go up here and type in Denver Zoo. Here it comes up and I am going to click on that option. The map will now readjust itself and bring itself to where the Denver Zoo is. If you are like, well, I don't quite understand where that is, you can always zoom out to find what streets are close, what the intersection is. So now we have this, we are going to push the directions button, right? That pops up right as you click over the address up here. So we're going to click on directions. Now this will come up. It says, where are we going to start? Well, you can either pick this button on the right-hand side that will point your exact location. Or if you know where you're starting from, we know we're starting from the Capitol, so the Denver Capitol, or the Colorado State Capitol. Click on that, and it brings up the directions. Now you have an option over here that you can drag. You can drag this for an alternate route if you'd like. They have this route aligned, and the gray means there's the alternate route you might be able to try. You can see this is a 10-minute route, 11, and 33. The 33 is with a bus, and these two are with a car. You can choose how you're going to get there by car, pushing on the car, public transportation, pushing on that, or walking, pushing on the, there's also bicycle. And now if you were going to California from Denver, you might even be able to pick the airplane. So we're going to drive those, so we're going to stick with the car. Now this, you can say, okay, well, I don't know if that's the one I want to take. Let's see here, this one takes 10 minutes. Here's the other option, it takes 11 minutes. You can switch them up, and it highlights over here. You see that route changed. You can show traffic by pushing on this. It shows that traffic is, kind of not too good right here. You see the red areas, but it looks pretty good on the whole way there. So you don't have to worry about that. Now we can hide it again. We can list the steps by pushing this button. In case you didn't see that, let me go back a step. This button right here on the left, it says list all steps. You hit that, and it will show you step-by-step directions on how you get from one place to the next. This is just some basics that Google Maps can do. There are so many possibilities. Explore Maps yourself and find out the possibilities Google Maps has in store for you.